This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joseph Parr. Welcome to this meticulous maintained one-owner home. This 3-bedroom/2-bath split floor plan is boasting with natural light. Beautiful updated kitchen that features wood cabinetry, quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances is a chef's dream. Tile floors throughout main living area and one guest bedroom and brand new carpet in master and other guest bedroom. With dining room and family room open to the kitchen, entertaining in this home is a breeze. Master suite is spacious with a walk-in closet and an updated bath with wood vanity, quartz countertops and a walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling tile. French doors lead out to a concrete patio and large, fully fenced backyard with newer wooden 6-foot privacy fence. New HVAC in June 2022. Kitchen and bath updates were done in 2016, which also included a new roof at that time. For more information, review the details below.